Hello everybody, it's my turn to do the maths meetings this week. Jack did them last week, my turn this week. So we're going to start straight away by saying that I love maths. And I'm listening. Great, we all love maths. Fantastic. So let's start with what day it is today. Today is, do you know? It's the first day of the week, first day of home learning. Normally, it would be the first day in the classroom after the weekend. If you think today is Monday, you're absolutely right. Well done. Today is Monday, which means tomorrow is going to be, that's right, Tuesday. Well done. First up, our numeral. Here it comes. It's bouncing in. Do you know what that numeral is? Have a think. It's 2 digits made up of a 1 and a 9. Fantastic. If you said it's 19, you're absolutely right. It is 19. And 19 is made up of... Now, if I'd asked you to come to the board and find some Numicon tiles to show us what this number looks like, hopefully you would have chosen a blue 10 tile and a purple 9 tile. Together, 10 and 9 make 19. Fantastic. I'm going to show you it again, but showing you with numbers this time. So the 10 is there, and the 9 is there. On we go, and we've come to our shape of the day. And our shape today is this. Can you remember what this is called? You're right. It's a cube. And a cube is a 2D or 3D? 3D, because you can pick it up. You can pick up a cube and hold it. It's solid. You can look underneath and you can look on top of it. And look around the sides. And you can count its faces. And you can count its edges. And if it's a cube, all the faces are square. That means they're all the same size and all the edges are the same length. So there's your cube with your faces and your edges. Now I was looking around and thinking, where would I see a cube in my house? And then I remembered I'd been playing Snakes and Ladders with a child and I'd got out the dice. So here are cubes in the form of dice. And here is the face on the dice. And here is an edge on one of the dice. Let's move on. So our 3D shape, the cube, can be found in lots of different places in the house, and I hope you'll look out for cubes today. Subitizing. Did you have any idea what number of dots there were that I just showed you? I'm going to do it again. Up they come, and away they go. Did you see there are quite a few rows of 3s? On the left-hand side, rows going across. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going down on the right, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Together, 6 and 6 make, you worked it out, 6 in your head and 6 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 altogether. If you counted 12, well done. If you spotted that there were 2 6s before you even counted, then that's even better. Fantastic. Right, next we've got our 10 frame. 10 empty squares. Count with me as the dots go in. 1, 2. Hope you didn't count 3 yet, because there's only 2 at the moment. And I know Jack was reminding you last week that you have to wait until you see the dot before you can count it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in the 10 frame. If you can, show me with your fingers what 6 looks like. If you can draw the numeral 6 in the air, fantastic. Or on a piece of paper, if you've got a piece of paper around, you draw 6. And it should look like this. Here's a little girl, she's showing 6 fingers, and we've got the numeral 6 and even the word written, 6, 6, 6. Fantastic. But if there are 6 purple dots in the 10 frame, how many spaces haven't got dots in? How many squares are empty? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that must mean that 6 plus 4 makes 10. And if you can remember our ninja signs, you'll know that we'd be using the plus sign and the equals sign for that. Okay, moving on. Next up is, my favourite, odd one out. Now I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to think, talk to your family, which one of these is an odd one out? Are you ready? Okay, that's the first picture. A tractor, that's right. Next picture. A lorry. An aeroplane. A taxi. A motorbike. And a boat. Odd one out. I've spotted a couple. I wonder what you think is the odd one out. Might be more than one. Okay. Did anybody say that the boat was the odd one out? Because all the other modes of transport have got wheels. It's true. The boat doesn't have any wheels, so it is the odd one out. But it is a way of getting about. It is a mode of transport. So, anything? Oh, I've thought of something else. The motorbike. What makes the motorbike the odd one out? It's only got 2 wheels. All the other vehicles and the aeroplane have got more than 2 wheels. What about, well, actually, the lorry. The lorry's got more wheels than any of the other transport modes. But it has got wheels. Keep looking and keep thinking. I think you might find some other reasons that one of them is an odd one out. Aeroplane. It's got wheels, but most of the time it spins in the air. None of the others are in the air. But then the boat is the only mode of transport that's on water. None of the others can go on water. They'd sink. Keep thinking about it. Let me know. Now, wait until tomorrow for the next time we go to a maths meeting and think about how much we love maths. Bye for now.